The modern Zoho CRM interface has a key feature called the Interactions tab. It is the central hub where all key information about customer interactions is neatly organized in order. This demo will guide you on effectively utilizing the Interactions tab to enhance your customer engagement strategy. The Interactions tab in Zoho CRM is a powerful tool. It puts all customer touchpoints into a single, organized view. This feature is in the Leads and Contacts modules of the Enterprise and Ultimate editions of Zoho CRM. It lets users with record viewing permissions see a full history of customer interactions. This centralized approach helps teams have the same interactions across all channels. It ensures personalized and effective customer service. To access the Interactions tab, go to the Leads or Contacts module. Next, choose a specific record for the lead or contact whose interactions you wish to view. Once you've selected a record, open the timeline. Click on the Timeline tab, then select Interactions. The Interactions tab offers a detailed overview of customer touchpoints, featuring several crucial elements. Signals represent customer actions across various channels, such as opening an email, making a call, or visiting a website. Signals appear on the left side of the timeline. Follow-ups are actions taken by CRM users, like sending an email or making a call. Follow-ups include details about the initiating user and the date of the interaction. Hovering over the date shows the exact time. Follow-ups are displayed on the right side of the timeline. Follow-ups often have statuses indicating the outcome. Statuses can indicate such outcomes. Some signals provide extra details to measure customer interest. For instance, a survey response might show the number of questions answered. Milestones are big steps in the customer journey. They are tracked through pick list values with history tracking enabled. Time gaps measure the time between signals and follow-ups. It helps to evaluate how quickly customers respond and engage. The Interactions tab has many filters and views. They help you focus on specific parts of customer interactions. You can filter by mediums, users, and by time. Through views, you can see signals, milestones, or both at the same time using the All option. The Interactions tab in Zoho CRM is vital for businesses. It helps them improve customer engagement. It gives a full, time-ordered view of all customer interactions. This lets teams provide tailored service and enable them to find communication gaps and understand the customer journey. Mastering this feature lets your organization deliver smooth interactions so that they can be efficient and proactive with customers.